This is the book of Psalms, chapter 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, the foundations also of his hills moved and were shaken because it was wroth. Isaiah chapter 29 verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flame devouring fire. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Ba'akim Ba'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a website of a recent news article, and this is from earthquake.usgs.gov. And this is from December the 10th, 2023, and it reads, magnitude of a 5.7 Pagan region, North Mariana Islands. Okay. Right, and this is from Earthquakes at News, Earthquakes from X, which is formerly known as Twitter. And it says 5.7 earthquake, Pagan region, northern of Mariana Islands. Right, so this is like in a further islands area. As of December the 10th, 14:11:39 USTC, 16 minutes ago at a depth of 119 kilometers. Once again, Isaiah 29 verse 16, thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flame devouring fire. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from Twitter, which is known as X. And this is from the highlighted of the earthquake.usgs.gov, where I found the website from these two websites. So with that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Ba'akim Ba'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.